Hello and welcome to another video of campers.eu. Time to talk Campster. In this video I want to go over one of the best Campsters that you can get, the Campster Cult. It's right behind me, as you can see. It's for sale, so I want to do a tour of the car and go over the option that this car had. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, please let me know. Yes, Lagoon Blue, that's what the color is called, and it really stands out. The Campster Cult is a special edition of the Citroën Pössl Campster, and as you can see the color is really bright, and it has these black accents down the bottom here, and also the roof is painted black as well, also all the way on top. Hope you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Oh, black as well. And you have these nice logos on the side saying Campster Cult. So that really makes the car stand out. And of course you have black mirrors and black door handles just to make it stand out a little bit more. So the interior of the Campster Cult is the same as the normal Campster. So you have the two-seat bench which fold into a bed. You have the kitchen unit over here with your sink, your tube and a hob, and as an option this car has a small fridge down here, and then you have your control panels in there in the corner, and you can see there it has an auxiliary heater as well. That's an option on the Campster. This car has that. And there's your cupboards in the back and more storage up there. Here up front you see this car comes with xenon headlights, which is an option. We really like the nose of the Campster. It has LED running lights as standard. And on this side you see something special, because on the driver's side it has a sliding door as well. And that's what you don't see a lot. From here you can also not enter the car. If you remove the kitchen you could. Here in Holland it's obligated to have the kitchen fixed for our road tax rule. One thing you saw up here is that you can unzip the canvas of the pop top, and this way you can have a really nice view outside. You see the LED lighting there, and that's the bed up there. Here in the tailgate, it's open now. You see storage. There's a lot of storage down here. The table is located here as well, and more storage in the cabinets. It's a really cool thing. And another cool thing that the Campster has, if you close the rear door, again with logo, you can open the window in the tailgate, which is awesome. So as standard, the Campster comes with a 120 horsepower 1.5 engine, but the one we have here for sale is 180 horsepower automatic. And that's a 2-liter engine. It has the 17-inch alloy wheels. It has a removable tow bar. It has the drive assist package. It has the darker windows here in the back. We always add the full spare wheel underneath the car. That's located down here. You see the tow bar in there. It's a wheel as well, a bit higher. It has a light pack, so that's a xenon headlights, the 2 sliding doors, and it has security pack 5. We'll go over that in a minute. It has heated front seats. You see they're both swivel seat, like they should. But you can also heat them down there. You see, there's. And let's go over the dashboard and see all those nice stuff there. So here's the dashboard. Very modern, with sat nav. But I really love the gear change on this automatic. It's a knob that you just turn around. Because it's automatic, you also have these flappy pedal gearbox, multifunctional steering wheel, And as you can see there on the dashboard, there is a head-up display that's included in one of the packages that this car has. Navigation is included, DAB radio is included, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Full automatic air conditioning is standard on every Campster. You see your USB ports. It's a really nicely laid out dashboard. With, of course, power folding mirrors, automatic headlights, tail lights, rain sensor, and this one has a leather steering wheel as well. Look, that's pretty nice. Yeah, there you go. So all in all, I think it's a very nice setup for a Campster, especially when you consider the price points of these cars. So there you have it, the Campster Colt. This one's for sale. If you want to have a quote on this car, an offer, please let me know and we will send you one, of course. If you want to trade in your car, that's possible as well, in most cases. And if you want another Campster, if you don't like this color, we can order one, and we have more coming in soon. So just let us know what you would like, and we can make you a good offer on that too. Hope to see you in the next video.